The man who's in with 100.
Bowling! Full toss! Missed it completely. Middle stump out of the ground.
Driver's seat.
Oh, beautifully bowled. Shoaib Akhtar on takeoff. Once again, he's knocked the stump right out of the ground.
Walker blasts the middle stump out of the ground. Secondly, there to see again, very quick. Yorker in swinging. I'm sure.
Nick there, Maaz taken it, and they finally got the breakthrough. To me, yeah, went inside edge, Noel Cunningham length, and the Royal Pindi Express has got the king out. Sachin Tendulkar goes for 7, 34 for 1. VVS Laxman coming in at 3, and boy, don't India need him to play like he played in Australia right now. They've got to win to keep this series alive.
Cannoning into middle and off, knocking middle out of the ground. The crowd are up again, 2 for 69.
Got him. That's the length he was looking for, and has been a profit for Gilchrist this time. It's full. He's clean bowled on debut for 81.
You accentuate the in-swing.
Bowled him out. This is the man who can do it for Pakistan. There's absolutely no doubt about it. We've spoken about it, and he's come up with the goods.
The Pakistanis, they are back into this game. And that was the reason why Shoaib Akhtar was brought back into the attack by the Pakistani captain Yusuf Johanna. Although the ball was changed, but still there is a reverse swing for Shoaib Akhtar, pitching the ball in the right area. And like you said, you've got to keep your bat vertical. He shut the face.
Oh yes, he's bowled. Shoaib Akhtar saw it, not too many others did. It's another Yorker that's found the mark. And it's another double wicket maiden. This is great stuff. Just what we wanted after lunch. Some excitement in the game, and there's plenty of it.
Oh, this is absolutely wonderful from Shoaib Akhtar. He's been on target, on mark, and he's bowled his heart out in this spell. This was just simply too good for Mohammad Rafiq. He missed the line, just clipped the off stump. The off bail was down, and he realized it very quickly. Shoaib Akhtar, he was in his favourite motion. Clean him up. What a delivery. Fast and furious, on target.
To Neil McKenzie first up. Oh, it's a great delivery. Big shout. Is that out? Yes, it is. Shoaib Akhtar has picked.
Oh, clean him. This is fantastic bowling. Shoaib Akhtar is on fire. What a ball. What a quick ball. Adam Gilchrist, beaten for pace, had no answer to that Yorker. It was quick, it was there. Adam Gilchrist just didn't see it.
Well, that's right. Just
superb delivery by Shoaib Akhtar. Rahul Dravid played all over it. Just what the Pakistanis needed. The rock for India. Rahul Dravid returns back to the pavilion after doing not very much. 24 for Rahul Dravid. Tony, fabulous delivery again.
Oh, there's nothing that beats a straight Yorker, especially just after the break. Nothing worse. The batsman's been out there, he's just got himself cooled down, he gets up there and the bowler comes in and bowls the most magnificent.
Thunderbolt from Shoaib Akhtar. Oh, it's got it. Beautiful bowling. That is brilliant stuff from Shoaib Akhtar. He's been trying to do that all over. Magnificent stuff from Shoaib. So that is a huge wicket for Pakistan. Jacques Kallis is on his way back to the hut. Outstanding stuff from the speedster.
Beaten by the pace and also the movement. Jacques Kallis, who was playing so well. And that was the reason why Shoaib Akhtar was brought back into the attack by the Pakistani captain, Yusuf Yohana. Ideal delivery. Great side for the fast bowler, knocking the middle stump right out of the ground.
And as such, but here he is now, to the maestro himself. Oh, fantastic delivery, both. That's amazing. Virtually the same delivery. A little straight to Sydney. Fireworks here for Shoaib Akhtar. He is delighted.
That is a very, very special moment in Test cricket. They've been waiting to see him all day, and this young man has produced the perfect delivery. The world's best player goes